What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. I'm here with my godson and I'm going to show him how to shave. I think that's one of the most important things that we should all learn when we're growing up, is learn how to shave, the proper ways to shave, and also to be able to use the right products, the right tools to create a very nice and clean shave. So we're going to follow the steps. It's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first step, we're going to wash our face. It's very important that you wash your face before you shave. In this case, we're going to be using a razor that has an exfoliating bar, which is actually going to help us even more to clean our face. But it's always a good idea to wet your face, wet your beard, especially if you have a beard. You want to, obviously, like a thick beard, you want to wet it to make it easier and be able to achieve a better shave. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so now that we wash our face, the next step is going to be to apply a shaving product just to help us with the shave. So you want to use a lubricant. In this case, we're going to use a shaving gel. This is by Gillette Labs, and this is a very good one because it's a quick foaming gel and it's really good for the skin, especially for someone like me that have really sensitive skin. Definitely going to be great for him as well. So this is what I recommend. Then you're going to put it in your face like this. So now we're going to use a razor. The razor of my choice is the Gillette razor with exfoliating bar. This is a great razor, and the reason is because it will help us clean our face from any dirt before we can actually shave. This is great because you're going to get a better shave, a lot more smooth, a lot cleaner. So definitely something that I recommend. And I'm going to leave the link in the description if you guys are interested in getting the same razor and the same shaving products that I'm using. So this is what we're going to do, okay? So we're usually going to start on the side first. Okay, you're going to do the other side and then we're going to do the neck. Okay, you want to make sure that you are shaving down. Okay, yeah, just like that. There you go. And now you want to wash your face, clean yourself with a towel. So go ahead, wash your face. Okay, now that we are done shaving, all we did, we clean our face with cold water. That's gonna close the pores and keep the skin a lot nicer. And that's it. In my case, I just shave the neck because I like to keep the beard like a little stubble. So now he knows how to shave, and now next time when he starts growing hair on his face, he's gonna be able to do it himself. I think it's very important to understand how to do it correctly so you can always get a great shave. Also, you wanna make sure you use high quality razor and high quality shaving gel or shaving foam. In my case, I like the Gillette razor with exfoliating bar and also the gel. So if you guys are interested in getting the same tools that I'm using, because that's what I recommend, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like the video, to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.